Hey guys, this is Mark from OneTigris. Today we're going to be taking a look at the OneTigris plastic carabiner. Now, these plastic carabiners are really awesome. They're lightweight, an easy way to attach gear. They're not rated for climbing, so please don't try to do that. But they are really strong. You can yank on them and they don't break. And that's because there's a lip here on the hook and the gate attaches to that. It keeps it from spreading. So I'll bring you in close for a better look. Now these plastic carabiners from OneTigris come in 2 or 4 packs and a bunch of different colors. Here's a sling that I made using 2 of them and just braided some paracord. These have a ton of uses. Really great way to hang on to your keys without lugging around a big metal carabiner. Now as you can see here, there's a little lip that sticks out and then a corresponding slot inside the gate. So those lock together. So when a lot of force or tension is applied, while the carabiner does expand, that gate keeps it from overextending and breaking. Now you can take a plastic carabiner, throw it through some webbing on your bag. You got a quick and convenient way to attach gear. You can also slide it into the next loop of webbing to ensure that it sits flush. So that was a quick look at the OneTigris plastic carabiners. They're very useful, very handy. They come in different colors and they come in different quantities. So I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can find these on Amazon. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to OneTigris. And don't forget to like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram. This is Mark from OneTigris, and we'll see you guys next time.